Welcome to this quick video on adding multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. So if like me you have a table of data and maybe you want to add some rows in the middle of your data, you can go and obviously select a row and right click and insert, or you can select multiple rows and insert, but it just gets a little bit messier and there's a quicker and easy way to do that. So what I'm going to do is select the data on the row where I want to create some new rows below. So I'm just going to select that information. And then what I need to do is click and hold Shift down on my keyboard. And then in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a little dot or a little square that you usually click to drag and pull information down. If I click on that and pull it down, let's say 3 cells, because I want 3 new rows, and drop, you can see quite easily there I've just added 3 new rows worth of data, and now I can go and add information in there. So just a really quick top tip here of how to add multiple rows. You're going to select the row above, you're going to hold down Shift, and then in the bottom right you're going to drag that down however many rows you want to add. It's a super quick way. Please do have a go at that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.